Turnip juice cannot be taken alone, and it needs to be mixed with another fruit or vegetable, to lessen its slightly bitter taste. The extracted juice needs to be consumed immediately. No vegetable contains as high a percentage of calcium as the juice of turnip leaves, the calcium being more than 1/2 of all the other minerals and salts combined. It is therefore a most excellent food for growing children, and for anyone having softening of the bones in any shape or form, including the teeth. By combining turnip leaf juice with carrot and dandelion juice, we obtain one of the most effective means of helping the hardening of the teeth, as well as the entire bone structure of the body. The very high magnesium content of the dandelion, together with calcium in the turnip leaves and the elements in the carrot, combine to give the bone structure firmness and strength. The potassium content is also very high in turnip leaves, which results in this being a strong alkalinizer, particularly when combined with celery and carrot juices. It is therefore excellent to reduce hyperacidity. Turnip leaves also contain much sodium and iron. These are the main benefits of turnip juice. 1. Turnip juice has high concentrations of nutrients that help the body fight diseases like liver and bladder problems, and rheumatoid arthritis. 2. It has powerful antioxidants that reduce the risk of cancer, help liver to process toxins, inhibit the growth of tumor, and finally fight with the side effects of carcinogens. 3. Drinking turnip juice daily is an effective way to lose weight and fight obesity. 4. Reduces anemia. 5. The high concentration of vitamin C in it helps in clearing lung and bronchus congestion, and improving blood circulation. 6. Turnip juice helps to reduce body odor. 7. Helps to remove kidney stones. 8. Turnip juice lowers bad cholesterol in the body, preventing heart attack, strokes, blood clotting and various heart diseases. 9. Helps to calm your nerves. 10. Strengthens bones and teeth, as it is a good source of potassium and calcium. 11. Prevents cataract. 12. Turnip juice acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. It helps cure asthma, or can curb the symptoms of asthma. 13. It is good for maintaining the structure of capillaries, as it is rich in flavonoids. 14. Reduces free radical level in the body. 15. Helps maintain a good immune system. 16. Prevents colon tumor and colon cancer, as it helps in the proper functioning of the colon. 17. Helps in treating various skin problems. 18. Treats acne. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Watch more interesting videos on our channel, Life Elixir.